I've been trading for almost 4 years, and I know exactly how it feels to lose trade after trade. That's why today I'm giving you the same strategy that changed everything for me. A simple, repeatable system that works in stocks, forex, and crypto, no matter the market. If you want to know exactly what it is, please watch this till the end. The first thing you must do is identify the market structure. Ask yourself one simple question: is the market bullish or bearish? Because if you don't know the structure, you're not trading, you're guessing. When the market is bullish, you should only be looking for buy opportunities, following higher highs and higher lows. When the market is bearish, you should only be looking for sell opportunities, following lower highs and lower lows. This alone will eliminate most bad trades. Your job is not to predict the market. Your job is to align with the structure. Trading with the trend puts the probabilities on your side, while trading against it is how most traders get trapped. By looking at this chart, we can clearly see that price is bearish. The market is printing lower highs and lower lows, which tells us the sellers are in control. So the goal here is very simple: follow the trend, not your emotions. When the market is bearish, we are not interested in buying. We wait patiently for price to give us a sell opportunity, ideally after a pullback into a key level. And this part is very important. If the market does not give us a clean setup, we do nothing. No chasing trades, no forcing entries, no FOMO. Professional traders don't trade all the time. They wait for the market to come to them. So in a bearish market like this, we stay patient, follow the structure, and only execute when the opportunity is aligned with the trend. No setup, no trade. That's how you protect your capital and stay consistent. Now, price is starting to switch from bearish to bullish. This tells us the market structure is changing and we need to adapt, not argue with it. The goal is always the same: trade in alignment with the current market structure. Once the market begins to print higher highs and higher lows, our bias shifts. We stop looking for sells and we start waiting for buying opportunities. But we don't jump in immediately. This is not a break of structure, it's just a liquidity sweep. Price took out the high, grabbed liquidity pool, and failed to continue. That failure is my signal. Once the market shows rejection and shifts back in my direction, this becomes a perfect entry for me. Let me show how. The reason I entered this trade comes down to two key factors. Number one, the London Open. This is when volume and volatility enter the market, and real moves usually begin. Number two, a liquidity sweep. Price grab stops, failed to continue, and gave a clear signal of rejection. When you combine London session timing with a liquidity sweep, that confluence creates a high probability entry for me. I don't enter trades randomly. I enter when multiple conditions align. That's how I execute the market with precision. After the 15-minute liquidity sweep, you can drop down to a lower time frame like the 3-minute or 5-minute to fine-tune your entry. The higher time frame gives you the direction and context. The lower time frame gives you the precision. On the lower time frame, you wait for confirmation. A change of character, a break of structure, or strong rejection from a key level. This allows you to enter with a tight stop loss, better risk to reward, and more controlled risk. For targets, I usually aim for a 1 to 2 or 1 to 3 risk to reward, depending on the market conditions. If the market is clean and trending strongly, I'm comfortable holding for a 1 to 3, letting price continue in the direction of the structure. If the market is choppy or approaching a key level, I'll take a 1 to 2 and protect profits. The goal is not to chase maximum reward. The goal is to take what the market is willing to give. Risk stays fixed. Reward adapts to conditions. That's how you stay consistent and avoid emotional decisions. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want more content like this that helps you master the markets and make smarter trades, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update.